In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom Gmail signature with clickable links. A personalized email signature can not only make your emails look more professional, but also provide recipients with easy access to your website, social media profiles, or any other important links you'd like them to explore. So, let's dive in and get started. The first step is to log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, navigate to the settings. You can find the settings icon, which looks like a little gear, in the upper right-hand corner of your Gmail dashboard. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the General Settings page. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Signature. This is where you'll either create a new signature or edit an existing one. If you don't have a signature yet, you'll see a button that says Create New. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to name your signature. This is particularly useful if you plan on having multiple signatures for different purposes. After you've named it, you'll see a blank text box appear. Now, let's add the content for your signature. Type your name, title, and any other information you find relevant, such as your contact number or office address. Remember to keep it concise and professional. To make your text stand out, you can use formatting tools at the top of the box, such as bolding, italicizing, or changing the font size and style. Next, let's add the clickable links. Highlight the text or image you'd like to turn into a link. Then click the link icon, which looks like a chain link, in the toolbar above the text box. A window will pop up where you can paste the URL you want to link to. Make sure to double-check that the URL is correct before pressing OK. If you'd like to add social media icons with clickable links, you can easily do this as well. First, find the icons you want to use. You can source these from free icon libraries online. After adding them to your signature, click on each icon, open the link tool again, and paste the corresponding URL for your social media profile. Before you wrap up, review your signature to ensure all links work properly and that there are no typos. It's a good time to view how the signature would appear to your email recipients by sending a test email to yourself. This can help you make any last-minute adjustments. Once you're satisfied with how your signature looks, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click on Save Changes. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom Gmail signature with clickable links, making it easier for your contacts to connect and engage with you. This simple yet effective personalization can improve your email communication and leave a lasting impression.